What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in New Orleans at the city park, and we're at the Botanical Gardens. We're going to go take a look at their garden train, which is G-scale trains. This ought to be awesome. Let's take a look. It's a beautiful little place. I mean, I could spend an entire day making a video just about the Botanical Garden itself. I got here kind of late, closes at 4:30, so we're going to go straight to the trains. I think I found the trains. Wife's beating me to it. New Orleans Historical Train Garden. Oh yeah, I love G-scale trains. Let's take a look. We're going to start right here with the Minion train. Banana. Banana. Yeah, it's a pretty big complex. Let's go see if we can find some cool details. Noticing by the buildings they have signs, so these are modeled after some actual houses. This says Cornstalk Fence House on Royal Street. And this one says Madam John's Legacy. So each one, it looks like it's a representation of a building here in NOLA. They got this one representing the French market. I'll walk through today. I didn't get any video of that for some reason, don't know why. Batman. Very nice. Being this is in a botanical garden, it's very well maintained. Everything is kept trimmed and back from the rails. Looks like they only got 3 trains running. I stand corrected. I believe I see 6 now. Here's 2 trolleys. There's a passenger train coming at us over there. A couple little small trains running around. Here comes one, he's putt-putting around. Looks like he's carrying a Unimog. The train shed where they store them at night. You can see where they close the doors. Lock everything down. They definitely got a good collection in there. Very impressive. Here comes one through, and that's the big diesel train I just showed you a little while ago. Passenger train's also coming in. Get a 2-for-1 on this one. Amtrak, baby. Awesome. As you walk past the train shed, they've got all the different railroad signs. They've got some memorabilia, pictures. This is very nice. Nice bridge and trestle set up here. A lot of work to do this stuff. Nice walking paths. Go up to everything, check everything out. There's Thomas. They got him running as a point-to-point. There he goes. He'll go up the other end, stop, pause, and come on back. Wait, didn't that one have more cars to it? I just noticed the railing all around here is rail. I'm not sure what size it is. Looks like something they would have had in the old mines back in the day. But they do have a scale riding train out around the whole perimeter. So maybe that's the rail they use. That's pretty cool though. Yep, that loco found the other cars. Now it's pushing its set of cars. So it uncoupled somewhere. It eventually found them. There he goes. I definitely like how well everything is manicured. There's the wife sitting in the shade. She already did her walk around tour, now she's relaxing. We've done a lot of walking today. It's a nice bridge. That looks like it might be a point-to-point as well. I didn't show you every last little nook and cranny square inch of the place, but I have done a full walk around. Now our rail fan each train and go from there. Looks like we have a Chessie. He's got his eye on something. What you doing, buddy? Oh yeah. His gaze is concentrated. Oop, yep, he's chasing. He's going after it. Oh, that'd be awesome in anyone's backyard. Too cool. Oh, it even blinks. Hey, look at that. This little guy one more time. I like him. Too cool. I like this little creepy guy. This is a beautiful layout. One last overall look. This was well worth the stop. This Amtrak's beautiful. And the little mini train is fun. Banana. Looking for Gru. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the New Orleans Botanical Gardens Garden Railway G-scale layout. It was fantastic. Spent a lot of time here looking at all the little last details instead of just a quick walk around I showed you on the video. Well, it's time to move on down the road and see what else we can find. Alright, until next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Happy out. Man, look at all this model railroad scenery. It just grows free in New Orleans. You just come through and pick it off the trees, throw it on your layout.